SGS logo mockup. Before mockup, show regular services. After mockup, so this is how it look like. We are going to design this. Thank you. Let's get started. You click on new project, then you click on sticker, then you click on from gallery, you click on without crop, you click from gallery, you locate your Pixellab, right? To Pixellab. Okay, this design I've created. Okay, you bring it, then you click on size, then you size it. Make sure it's not cutting, let everything be visible. Then you click on the triple dot here, you click on convert to 3D mockup, you click here. So you look for mockup of your choice. Okay, this one, you click exactly here, then you click on accept, then allow the ad to display. So while the ad is displaying, kindly subscribe to the channel or give it a thumb up and click on the notification icon on the bell icon so that you get our recent video each time we get posted. All right, so let's be patient while the ad is playing. Let's be patient. Okay, so at this time you cannot click here. So successfully sent to server. So you click here now to finally convert or to see your mockup. Okay, you cancel it. So here is our recent mockup. Then you click here to download. Thank you for watching.